Yeah. Hi everyone. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle of today's newspaper in the additional a binary puzzle. This will be what kind of binary puzzle is this? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. So that means 4 in a row. There's always 4 ones and 4 O's, or in a column. Yes, so let's get started. I already filled the 4 O's here, so yeah, double 1 here and O, there and O, double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 ones comes an O, a double O here and 1, there 1, double 1 here and O, there and O. Double 1 here and O, then O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then we have double O here and 1, there 1. We have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And then double 1 here and O, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O here and 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare. Yes. How do I compare? Double 1. Oh, 1. Oh yes. This column and that column. This row and that row. Let us compare. We have an empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box. So we have these 2 digits, the 1 and the O. I need to switch them, otherwise if I fill here the 1 and the O, then I have identical rows. Not allowed. One of the rules of the binary puzzle. So we have a 1 here, so this should be an O, and here we have an O, and this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then we need to compare again. Let us. I think we need to compare with this second row and that one. Yes. Empty box. O. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and an empty box. So I need to switch these 2 numbers. I have here an O, so this should be a 1. I have here a 1, so this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will continue with the last Sudoku in a minute. The last Sudoku is a tectonic, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later, and bye bye for now.